Hi, this is Peter with Covenant Stories, and I'm inside our kitchen. Some of you may not even know we have a kitchen at church, but we do. This kitchen was really important to the life of the synagogue. There were different areas set up for meats and dairies and vegetables, and it really was a big time, kind of almost professional kitchen here. It's kind of fallen into disuse over the years, and a lot of stuff accumulated. But on Wednesday, a team of people came together and we cleaned it all out. The cabinets have all been cleaned. Excess debris and unused stuff has been thrown out. There's been a lot of organization and significant cleaning of some of these surfaces. Hey, take a look at this stainless steel countertop. It is spick and span and super clean now. So this is all ready for the Montessori preschool to come in and use this space.